What is up, guys and gals? Jodas95 here, and today we're reviewing a Transformers Prime Robots in Disguise Deluxe Class Ratchet. Now, Ratchet was one of the last member of the Team Primes that was only appeared in Season 1, but in the case. So let's talk about Ratchet. Ratchet is an engineer scientist of Manic who was appeared in the Prime series. Up until the season 3, Ratchet managed to survive. Ratchet was still alive, along with the other team members. Well, except Clutch Jumper, he was killed in the first episodes. Ratchet comes back. He also comes back in the Transformers Robots in the Sky 2018 of season 2, a finale, which make it a guest appearance or a cameo, who try to help Bumblebee and his team to stop that still drop. And that's pretty much it. So let's take a look at the Ratchet figure itself. Now this one is based on a Manic ambulance vehicle. It's just a red and white. It has little wheels in this. Under here it has a little robot junks. Only accessory is, and one I have is comes with a 2 blades, which unfortunately I only have one. I have is just one blade. One is the other, and the other ones I thought it was going to came 2 blades. I lost it because I only had one. So you also little attaching those holes and plug in those holes. They're like the windshields. Only problem is he can't close it. I was trying to connect. He does little really rolls. That's pretty much the vehicles. As I said before, unfortunately I don't have the package. I'm not going to show the package, so I just ripped the package and decided to throw it away. So here it is on the package. Anyway, the transformer for Ratchet is pretty simple. This was pretty simple. First to do is trying to figure out this. Trying to figure out Oh yeah, first thing, let's open this door peg. Let's unpeg it. Let's do unpeg his. See that little peg? Try and get. Now, there's a little peg. Now that's my only big problems. Trying to rotate around. There's Ryder's foot. Trying to get unpeg. Let's gotta wait figure out. Come on. Oh. 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 And there goes he. Sorry about that. That was trying to figure out the plastic. That's a plastic. So untag here. That's the. Sorry about that. Was accidentally. Anyway, rotate. We'll close it. Alright, oops. I'm sorry, that was my mistake. Okay, you take this little door. Try and The transformations that I would say is pretty simple. Then last but not least, and you very see it heads and it head pop out. Peekaboo, it head pops out. So here we have Ratchet in his robot mode. Now this one looks pretty accurate as seeing the animated series. I do like this head sculpt, but I'll get to that second layer. Do like he told this because do like the pink is red. Also, it's kind of missing. It's kind of missing his cable on his back and his shoulder, on his backpack. We seen he has a cable on his string on his back, but I guess they forgot this. Now, the head sculpt. Let's have a very close look at the face. I do like the head sculpt look. He's pretty reminiscent of G1 Accurate. Do like that as a red headgear with his blue eyes with silver skin. I do like he has a little grill on the chest, has a little detail in it. I do like he has the hands of black. Some of those designs. Then some of the rest of the back. That was really strange. And you have to carry it, and then here, Nick looks like Rack. Looks like he's carrying his. My only problem, he just fell out. Also, he has. He put it attached to his ratchets. Here we have his ratchet and his blade. The fun fact is, Ratchet is voiced by Jeffrey Combs, who is the best known. He's the voice of Scarecrow from Batman the Animated Series or the Batman New Adventures. He also voiced of Brainiac from Injustice 2. He also voiced of Rat King from, I bet, somewhere from, from Nickelodeon's Ninja Turtles. Yeah, the voice are similarities. He also voiced some guy dude from, what is his name? Oh yeah, some guy dude, scientist, creepy doctor from Reanimator. Most of their best performers talented. Now for size comparison. For size comparison. Here's the next to the bulkhead. Here's next to the RC. Here's next to the Prime. And last but not least, the last one is next to the Bumblebee. Now, this one I put a standard. This is actually from we seen the intro titles. Also, Bumblebee's a pretty tall one. You can just wait this look. As far as the Prime goes, size, he's pretty same size. That's a pretty good size of this. Articulation for Ratchet, he has excuse me, his head's on rotate, goes up and down, goes up and down. His arms goes up and down the ball joint, ball hinge goes in and out that much. He has a thigh swivel, he has a bicep swivel, then an elbow, then double elbows. Sadly, no wrist movement. It does a hand left up and out that was hit by transformation. He does have cool waist movement, swivel waist movement, 360 degrees, and his leg is forwards and back goes in and out that much. He has a thigh swivel. Oops. Looks like Ratchet got an injury. He has a thigh swivel, then at the knee, and his ankle forward side to side. So that's about pretty much decent pose and articulations. And here is the final stand. Final size compares to group of complete Team Prime members, minus a clip jumper, which fortunately somewhere to that. So anyway, guys, there's my review of Transformers Robots Disguise Ratchet. So I hope you enjoyed this deal. Hopefully you enjoyed this deal. Please don't forget to hit the like and smash and like and subscribe. Leave it alone. Let us know. Leave a comment below. Hit the notification button switch in case. So I hope you enjoyed this one. So thanks for watching. Bye.